In this video, we will learn how to create a Conda environment, how to activate it, how to deactivate it, and how to run the Python file in the environment. And also we will learn how to run the Jupyter notebook in the VS Code. So let's get started. For this, you go to the terminal, new terminal. Let me go to the command prompt. Now, where do we need to create a new environment? For every new project, it is suggested to create a new environment. The reason being, the Python uses many packages and libraries. With time, the packages and libraries are updated, and it is very often. When we create a new environment and run our project is not impacted by the updates in the packages and libraries. So it's always a good idea to create a new environment for a new project. So let's explore how to create a new environment. You can use Conda, create, -n. You can give any name. Let me give test environment, TENV, Python equal to 3.12. So 3.12 is the version of the Python. Any Python version you can use. This is the latest one. So I am going to use. Before I hit enter, you can also learn how to use the Conda command by going to your browser, and you can type Conda create documentation or Conda documentation, and you can see here Conda docs. You can see what are the options available and what it means, like -n, and it has given you all the named arguments and target environment specification. Like here you see -n, name of the environment. This is what I am using. Let me hit enter. Now these are the packages being installed. It says the following new package will be installed. Proceed. Yes. Enter. Downloading and extracting packages. It is now currently executing the transactions. After installing the environment, we need to activate this environment. So for this, we need to do Conda activate and the environment name. In our case, the environment name is TENV. So I am using Conda activate TENV. And you see, now we are in the environment TENV. To run the program, let me create a Python code. So this is a file, new file. Let me give a name test1.py. Print. We can say anything. Welcome to my world. I'll say welcome to my Python world. I'll also say print 78 plus 2. Let me save it. Now I will go ahead and type Python test1.py. You see the outcome. Welcome to my Python world here, and 78 plus 2 is 80. So we are able to run our Python code in this environment. Now let me run one Jupyter notebook. Let me create a new file. Let's say it is test2.ipynb. So for the IPYNB file, I am having the code cell and the markdown cell. Let me hit the code cell and also one markdown cell, one code cell, anything. So now let me try to perform here 100 plus 200. To run it, shift enter. It is asking me which kernel to select. Let me select TENV, the environment what we selected. Now let me run it. Shift enter. Now as you can see, running cells with TENV Python 3.12.0 requires the IPY kernel package. So this kernel package needs to be installed. Then only we can run the IPYNB file. In the Jupyter notebook, it comes by default. However, in the VS Code, we need to install it. So to install it, we can go here, type pip install IPY kernel. It is installing the collected packages. It takes a moment to install this package. Yeah, now this package is installed. Now we will try once more, shift enter to run it. And you see now we are able to successfully run the IPYNB file in our VS Code. To see the list of the environment, you can type here Conda env list. You can see this is the base environment for Anaconda 3 where the Conda itself is installed, and the TENV environment what we have created just now in this video. To deactivate the TENV environment, we can say Conda deactivate, and then if you press enter, the TENV environment will be deactivated. Before deactivating this, I wanted to show you that now we have installed IPY kernel. Let's say you want to uninstall that package, and this goes for all the other packages. So in this video, I'll tell you how to uninstall. You have written the command pip install IPY kernel. To uninstall, go ahead and type pip uninstall IPY kernel. So if you want to use this, this is only for the learning purpose. We will use this py kernel. However, I am just showing you how to uninstall. However, we will need it. So after this, you need to install it again. So it is saying that uninstalling py kernel would remove these are the packages. Proceed. Yes. And then it says successfully uninstall IPY kernel. Now if you close this test2.ipynb file, don't save. Now let me open it, code again. Let me use the same 200 plus let's say 300, shift enter. Again you see it requires the IPY kernel package. So to run this IPYNB file, we need the IPY kernel. Okay, so you can do again pip install IPY kernel and you will be able to run this IPYNB file successfully. To deactivate this environment, you can use Conda deactivate. You see here now you are in the TNV, you are deactivating this environment. Now you are in the base environment. From tenv we came to the base. Let's say for some reason you want to remove this environment what you created completely. Then you can go ahead and type Conda remove -n tenv all. Enter. Proceed. Yes. It is executing the transaction. Configuration and any non-code files will be deleted. Do you wish to continue? Yes. To check the environment is deleted, you can say Conda env list and you don't see tenv now. Let's verify that. Yeah, we don't see. So this is the way we can create the environment, we can activate the environment, deactivate the environment, remove the environment, and also IPy kernel we can install and uninstall. However, I want everything to run and create this environment, so I'll follow the same process. So I'll create it again. I just wanted to show you how to do.